Welcome to What It Costs Wednesday. So today we are in Cibolo, Texas. We're going to be going through 229 Rio Vista here in Cibolo, Texas, a suburb of San Antonio, Texas, here on the northeast side. And I'm going to break down 3 different loans for you on this property, what the differences are, and why you might want to choose one loan over the other. So bear with me. I'm going to break this down for you and show you this beautiful home. It is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it is a HUD foreclosure. Okay, now I'm confident in any scenario you can get this home to pass, whether it's a VA, FHA, or conventional loan. That's why I'm going to break this one down for you here, and that way you can kind of skip all the uncertainty as far as which loan you want to choose. Now, the first loan, FHA, which has been very popular lately considering what the interest rates look like, primarily because the rates on FHA loans have been a lot lower than conventional loans. Now it's changing a little bit, but right now I'm estimating about a 6.72% interest rate, and that can vary and that will change until you've locked in a rate. Typically you're going to pay 3.5% down on an FHA loan, and with taxes, insurance, everything included, a sticker price of $330,000 for this home. We're looking at an estimated payment of about $3,036. That's with taxes, insurance, HOA fee, everything included. Now, this is only an estimate, and it is subject to verification by each individual buyer. Now, one of the advantages with the FHA loans is, number one, it offers a bigger debt to income ratio. So if you have more debt, FHA loans might be better for you. If you have a lower credit score, then FHA loans might be better for you. And with that payment, you're also going to be paying private mortgage insurance, okay? Because you're only putting probably 3.5% down. Okay, that's typically what we see on FHA. You can put more down if you still want that FHA loan. And if you do put a larger down payment down to get you at 20% or above, your payment would be $2,546, okay? Taxes included. On a conventional loan, you're looking at about a 5% down payment. Other products offer different down payments. You might have maybe a 3% down with your credit union or something like that. But the main advantage with a conventional loan over an FHA loan, if you're just going to be putting down less than 20%, is that after you get 20% equity, you can drop the private mortgage insurance. Okay, this is where a lot of people are, kind of stuck, or kind of kick themselves in the butt later on if they want to get rid of that private mortgage insurance, because that's about $137 here on this property, and that private mortgage insurance does absolutely nothing for you. It insures the lender in case you default. So if you lose the house, that's what you're paying for. You're paying for the insurance, where it insures the lender if you lose the house. So you really want to get rid of that as soon as you possibly can in many cases. Now, if you do put the 20% down on a conventional, you're looking at $2,574 with today's rate of 6.875%. So slightly higher than the FHA rates, but again, you can drop that private mortgage insurance if you don't have the 20% down. Finally, VA financing for this house. Okay, on this house, your payment would be $2,816, and that is with a 5.99% interest rate. If you're a veteran, you served your country, or even if you're active duty and you have your VA benefits, this is a great time to be using them. While most people are on the sideline, it was very hard for veterans to get into a home during the pandemic because there were so many cash buyers in the market, conventional buyers, people putting big down payments. If you have very little money to put out of pocket right now, this is the time to do it. Now, your payment at $2,800 does, it's not super low, but it's a zero down product. Okay, so the less money you put down, the higher your payment's still going to be. But 5.99 is nothing to sneeze at. That is a great interest rate without any help, but it is a true zero down product. So drop in the comments if there's any other information you'd like to see on these What It Costs Wednesdays, and I'll be happy to add that to future videos. So every Wednesday, or if there's an area or neighborhood you'd like to see me in and find out what it's going to cost to buy in that neighborhood, drop it in the comments. And as usual, look forward to seeing you guys on the next video.